Hi there, this is Justin and Melissa from A to Disney, and today we are making a Mickey Mouse Christmas wreath.
The supplies you'll need are two 10-inch mini wreaths, zip ties, a 20-inch wreath, a Santa Claus hat, ornaments, and a strand of Christmas lights. We found our supplies at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and Target. The first step is attaching the mini wreaths to the larger wreath with zip ties. You're going to use 2 zip ties per mini wreath.
And just like the Mickey ornaments that we have done already, if you look at this as a circle, you have the
Halfway point,
and then you go like 45 degrees. So there and then there.
Okay. Next, you're going to wrap your strand of Christmas lights around your wreath. Make sure you have your plug in a spot that's easily accessible to where you're going to plug it in. Next, you're going to decorate your Mickey wreath with the ornaments. The package of ornaments that we purchased comes with the silver hooks, so you can just bend them to attach your ornament to the wreath. Now that you're done attaching your ornaments to your wreath, you can use a kid's hanger for a support for your Santa hat. Use the zip ties to attach your hanger to each ear, and that will make it so your Santa hat, when you put it on, will be able to stay standing up. And you can adjust it to how you want the little ball to hang on which side you want it to hang. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed making this Mickey Mouse Christmas wreath. You can purchase battery packs for your Christmas lights at Target. That way when we hang this on the door, we'll have a place to plug in our lights to have a light up.
Yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We still have that Frozen 2 giveaway, which we'll leave a link in the description.
Yeah, we're so close to 50 subscribers. As soon as we get there, we'll give away the Funko Pops.
And I think instead of letting the person choose, we'll just give away both of them, just to kind of sweeten the deal.
Definitely.
And remember, whether at home or at the park, make every day a Disney day.